Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. This is a room tour of Saltholm Beach where we just checked in. Just going to do a room tour. I'll spin you around, I'll tell you exactly where we are. This room is C4-3. Anyway, I'll take you along and I'll show you around the room. You see a nice doorway in. As you come in, you've got the shower room. So it's shower room. It's got a nice full-size shower, overhead shower. It's got all your dispensers in there for shampoo and conditioner. It's a pretty big shower cubicle, that actually, and mirror, the lighting for your shaving and do your hair for the women. Hairdryer. You got ample points for electric shavers. Then again, you've got surplus amount of towels. There's the mat for the shower, shower. Clean towels, surplus amount of towels, spare toilet rolls. So we'll take you out now and we'll just go around into the bedroom. Right, this is a 1-bedroom apartment, and it's got your lights. It's got a nice big ceiling fan, and from past experience back in April staying here, and that does pump out some really cold air. As you can see, you've got the lights and the sockets next to the bed. You've got controls next to the bed there as well, and that's for your fan and your lights. Loads of room there for storage, with ample coat hangers as well. You don't just get 3 or 4 coat hangers like you do in a Travelodge or a Premier. There's loads, and there's loads of storage for socks, undies, and etc. And also somewhere to put your cases. Right. Oh, and I've just seen a full-length mirror. That's great. Right, I'm just going to take you out now through the hallway, and we've just come to Saltholm Beach and checked in. There's a net coming in off the balcony, and look at this. Isn't that a nice gesture? A bottle of Carver, 3 glasses, some water, and also a complimentary slip. Really nice touch, that. So this is a front room, and basically you can see you've got your lamp and a pull down bed there, and it's not bad. It's a nice pull down bed, that. Ample room, smart TV on the wall, your router, and your telephone, and the most of all is the air conditioning. Right, we'll just move round to the kitchen. As you can see from the kitchen, you've got a microwave, fridge, which just open the fridge. It's a relatively new refurbished apartment. They've done a good job of it. The fridge looks clean. You've got all the loads of storage, plates, cupboards, drawers, cups, coffee maker, and there could be a toaster somewhere. Oh yeah, there's a toaster and all the equipment. And there's actually a hob there as well. So we're just going to go out onto the balcony, and anyway, let's have a look at this balcony. This is what you call the garden view, and yeah, all in all, very, very nice. It's nice and hot, and there's the access to the restaurant there, so you can sit out in there in the morning, eat your breakfast, and basically say a partial sea view, which we can see the sea. Apart from that, all good. And you got your chairs and your tables for sitting at. Also, we use that for hanging washing out on a day and getting it dry. That's been when you've been to the pool. Right, all in all, it's a really good room. I'm well chuffed with it. Anyway, if you like the video, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.